Hi guys, ngayon na po yung last night dito sa Kingdom Builders Camp at kailangan nilang sa nilang Bible.
Hi! Hi, say hi! Hi!
Yung mga nakita nila.
Tumaluan ng tiktok. Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Pag-iisip pa yung...
This is it guys. Merong David, merong Goliath, mayroong John.
Laban! 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 Goliath and David.
Ayan, isang magandang gabi sa ating lahat. My name is Lady Dia Vilcas and my character is Marta and for tonight I am your event planner. And yes, naman. Ayan, now welcome Simon and Andrew. A round of applause, please.
Good evening. First, my name is Simon, and his name is and we are praying as a singer, and we are ready to say, "Aye, Captain."
Ayan. Now, let's give it up for Gideon!
Wala Gideon ng Ligawan. Inaabot na ang probinsyano ng Bicol!
Ayan, magpapatalo pa si Queen Esther!
Please bring your judge.
Ano, Pastor Brian?
Pastora, ba't ka na?
Hashtag Sassy and Salty. At hindi siya kapalala. Ako po ang asawa ni Lot na naging haligi ng Muslim. Ang naniniwala sa kasabihan. No, surname pa. Thank you! Good evening everyone! I am Rahab. And wala akong nakitang spy na dumaan. Pero parang merong dalawa. Ha? Lumaki ako sa farm. Lumaki ka sa farm? Wala akong nakitang spy pero kung mahabulin niyo.
Hindi, itong costume na ko.
Department Building Gabriel.
My name is Mary. I would like to confirm if there was a message
Maria, the wife of Joseph, I'm here to confirm that you will be the mother of God. Congratulations. Is there anything that I can help you with? Again, thank you so much for calling the Heavens Video and Department. My name is Gabriel. Thank you.
My name is the angel of death in the blackness of COVID-19.
Tubig na po! Water ice po ito! Hello everyone, I'm the Samaritan woman at the well. See, for orders, please call John 4:1-42. Jesus is the living water. Amen.
Mga pala si Matthew. And Jency. Thank you.
I'm the tax collector. Okay. Mary, yes, the mother of Jesus. I said yes to that, and I haven't slept since Bethlehem. Hi guys, ako ang best friend ni Mary, Elizabeth.
Sally!
Magandang gabi sa lahat. Ako nga pala si Mary, ang kapatid ni Martha. At ito nga pala si Talisi. Busy siya. Thank you, goodbye.
Magto.
Fingers, may character issue. Dati nag-aani, ngayon nabibigay ng bigat.
Joseph ang kapitero. Nagsasabi na, surely!
Everyone, I am Hannah, literally Hannah, and I am a teacher right now for June 16. Let's go! Jesus! Oh, Jesus, where are you? Hi, everyone. Good evening. I am Mary, who said yes to the Lord. Behold, I am a servant of the Lord. Let it be according to your faith. Hashla, mom of the Messiah, best among women. Wow!
Time to change your diaper!
People will be my people. Your God will be my God. Root here, y'all. Wait, I have news. I just received flower. Low-key dropped extra games for you. High-key dropping hints from Boaz. Everyone who drinks from this water will get thirsty again. But whoever drinks from the water God gave will never be thirsty again. Pagdating mo ako, mag-chicks lang pirpili kayo. Marta, pagod na.
Ako si Adan at siya si Eva. Ito ang mansana. At ito ang ahas.
Alam mo ba, mahala yan.
Good evening, guys. I'm Akila.
And I'm Priscilla.
Kita nag-share sa Google Maps. Akila and Priscilla were a remarkable Christian missionary couple in the first century. Known for their dedication to spreading the teachings of Jesus Christ.
Now, sana next travel!
Gamit na gamit.
Gawin
turting pa na ito nahandaan. Bawal sa iya. Ay, bawal ka na po. Ano doon pwede dyan? Gulay.
Ha? Ano yan? Picture? Dahil pa sinusundan ka? Ah,